Hi guys. Let's see how share in the Windows Photo app on Windows 10 computer. To share with others using Nearby Sharing via the Photos app, they must have a compatible PC and Nearby Sharing enabled. They also need to be nearby and accessible via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. First open a photo using Photo app. Select Share option from the menu. There you can share for nearby devices. There are some options such as copy file, snip and sketch as well. That's all about share in the Windows Photo app on Windows 10 computer. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.